Now let's see if we can do this one here. Okay. Again, this is in the category of I give you the wrong angle, and you've got to figure out the right one. Okay. The angle we want to use is this one, and that's clearly not 29 degrees. That angle is, what is it? I don't even know. It's bigger than 90, whatever that is. Okay. So remember, these are alternate interior angles, right? So that's also 29 degrees here, right? We can math that. So I believe that makes this angle here 90 plus 29. So that's 119 degrees. Okay. So now we can set up. They're just asking for the torque here. So we're going to go torque is equal to RF sine theta. Okay, so that's going to 45 centimeters is 0.45 meters. F is 48 newtons. That's a 4. There's some controversy there. Sine of 119 degrees. Okay, so 0.45 times 48 times sine. Make sure are you in degrees? Okay, I just checked this calculator. It actually just wasn't in degrees. Somebody must have cleared it or something. All right, I'm getting 18.9 meter newtons. Okay, now interestingly, we actually could use this angle here. What is that angle? Science cannot say what that angle is. Okay, this is a challenge. I can do it though, because I'm so smart. Mr. Capacious will be proud of me. Okay, so this is 180 degrees out here, right? From here to here is 180 degrees. Well, what's this angle here? That angle there is, I'm going to say it's 90 minus 29. So that's 61 degrees, right? Isn't it? 180 plus 61 is 241 degrees. Would that also work? Let's try it. All right. Clearly the problem wasn't hard enough, so let's try 241. Oh, by golly, it works. I get like a negative sign in front of it, right? I guess, yeah, that makes sense. But anyway, I still get the same number, except it's negative. Because, oh yeah, okay, I'm getting it. But anyway.